Hi guys, the next thing I'm going to show you is how we place a multiradius on the fretboard. You see it's this moment it's still flat. It's the same fretboard as I used in the video for the position markers. The bindings are at the moment installed. That's necessary that you do that before you put on the multiradius. So what are we going to need today? Some marking gauge, it's from Veritas, very handy. Some planes, a scraper blade, ruler, pencil and a long straight edge to put on some lines. So the first thing we start with is this Veritas marking gauge. At the sides of the fretboard we will reduce the height with 1 millimeter. So we're gonna set this thing 1 millimeter. Okay. With this thing we can put a line at the sides and it will be over the full length 1 millimeter. So we just put it this place on the top of the fretboard. Add a little pressure down to the middle. Just go the full length. You cannot see it very good with the camera. Right here you can see the line. It's over the full length of the fretboard. So we do that on both sides. So and now we know exactly how deep, how much of the fretboard should be removed at the sides. That was one thing. The next thing we're going to do is draw a line, two lines there, and we divide the fretboard in 3 equal pieces. So we're gonna measure it, and it should be over there. I made some preparations so it's easier to film it. Here. Then we take our long straight edge, so we can draw the line and divide the fretboard in 3 pieces. Be careful with the fret slots. Your pencil will break. Be careful with the marking, the position markers as well. So you see the lines, one over here, one over there, here, there. So what we're now going to do is we make the fretboard something like that. This maybe I should draw it. So this is a fretboard seen from this side. we're gonna do is, here we put a marking line 1 millimeter. We divided this in 3 equal pieces. It's a drawing, of course, it's not correct. We're gonna plane this piece and this piece away. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is plane both sides. Not sure in which direction the plane should go, so I'm gonna try, maybe I'll turn it on the other side. One side is done, so I'm gonna try the other side. That's good enough for now. So now we have some 3 sides with this this and that, 3 different sides. Now we're gonna round it off with a scraper blade. We're gonna make it round. So we're gonna try to put off the edges here and here, so we get one smooth side. Maybe we take a scraper blade that's thinner, so you can bend it more easily. Okay, we'll need this. Didn't mention it before. It's just a straight piece of wood with some sanding paper on it. So we can go from one side till the other, and we leave a flat surface over here. So it's important that the piece of wood with sandpaper is a bit larger than the fretboard. We haven't been. We should continue this until every spot is gone. Another thing you should keep in mind is go from one side till the other, not diagonally like this. The fretboard should be flat in this direction, like the strings go. I guess I'm almost there, and what I'm gonna do now with a pencil is put some lines along the fretboard. Continue till every line is gone. So I guess over here, still a few spots where I haven't been with the sanding paper. Okay, we finished sanding. All smooth now, and I hope you can see it. And there's a slight curve on top of the fretboard. So that's it for today. Next vid will be about the position markers on this side, so you can see where you're playing. Please like the page. Bye.